People who wins in life. I observe these traits that successful people have in common. Let's check it out. Outliers. They are outliers. They don't wait for opportunity, they just create it. Self-confident. Some people are defeated several times, rejected 100 times, lose everything except self-confidence. Stay hungry, stay foolish. They always stay hungry, stay foolish. Stay hungry means never be satisfied, and always push yourself. Besides, stay foolish means do, or be willing to keep trying, the things people say cannot be done. Mentally strong. Those who let go of all painful feelings and sufferings. Exceptional. They swim against the current. Creative. They think outside of the box. Self-control. People who know how to control desire. Always sincere, but never serious. They eat, pray, love, meditate, and run. They are not serious about life, but they are sincere. Zero expectation. Those who never expect anything from anyone. All in one. Those who have positive attitude, self-discipline, emotional control, and charismatic personality. Learning attitude. They learn not only success stories but also failure stories. Dedication. Some people don't focus on outcome, they focus on excellence. Persistent. Winning-losing doesn't impact some people's mindsets. They are highly focused on their activities. They win at life. Industrious. Successful people work 3 times as hard after failure. Emotional intelligence. They keep their emotions secret. Work hard silently. Right mindset for success. They never complain about their family, poor financial condition, surrounding situation, and rejection. Long-term vision and plan. Successful people have long-term vision. They always have a creative plan, solution, and backup plan. Clear idea about self. Undefeated people know their strengths and weak zones. Right balance between family and career. An intelligent people knows that family is more important than career. So, they balance between family and career. Self-competition. They compete with themselves. Mysterious. Extraordinary people don't share about their next move. Enjoy life. They enjoy every single moment of life. Helping others. Truly successful people love to help people. Indefatigable. They never give up. It's hard to beat a person who never gives up.